Hello, everyone. It's your girl, Goddess of Love and Truth Reacts, coming to you with another quick video. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, thank you and welcome. Please be sure to click that subscribe notification and that bell notification for all so that you never miss an upload. For returning subscribers and viewers, welcome back. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and if you are already subscribed, just make sure don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment as well as share the video. So you guys, I wanted to bring to you guys an update. I know it's been going on, a lot been going on in the YouTube streets about this YSL trial that's going on, and one of the bloggers, infamous Sylvia, she's been causing ruckus all up and down YouTube, from the Ernesto case. Well, no, actually from the R. Kelly case to the Ernesto case to the YSL case and to her own case where she was arrested for as well. Um, if you guys are not following Dennis Byron, make sure y'all check out Dennis Byron's YouTube channel as well. He have some updates and gave some information about what's going on with infamous Sylvia and what's going on with the court. They supposed to be having a hearing to discuss what took place on her YouTube channel, but I wanted to bring you guys this video, this clip here where the judge and one of the attorneys, they briefly speak on it. Something about her, what Dennis mentioned in his video, something about the juror. So she supposedly mentioned something about the jurors, sorry, on one of her videos. But let's get into it and we'll check it out. But that's not the norm. I mean, that's not out of the norm for her. With the Ernesto case, she was contacting the witnesses. She was stalking them. She went to Shirley Strawberry's hair salon. She went to Ernesto Williams' co-defendant house. Like, she does the most. She got into it with I don't know if it was a juror or a witness, because it was so long ago and I didn't know anything about her back then. But when the R. Kelly trial happened, she got into it with somebody and they filed charges on her, and she had to go to court and everything about that. And then this guy, what is his name? I can't think of his name, but Dennis mentioned him on his channel. Um, who else? I think you can go to Wisdom's Daughter covered it, and I believe he even actually came on to Wisdom Daughter's channel. I cannot think of that man's name because I don't follow him either. But anyway, infamous Sylvia put a tracking device, or I don't know what it's called, because I don't know nothing about tracking people and stalking people. Air tag, I think that's what it's called, some type of Apple air tag on his vehicle, and she had been stalking him. They have been having issues going back and forth. They already went to court once before and everything was dismissed, but then this time she ended up getting arrested. She actually got arrested while she was in there filming the YSL charge, and she was in jail during her birthday. This was back like in February, so she was in jail during her birthday. And she eventually got out. Dennis had to pull some strings or whatever because their systems was down. So they was just like in there holding her longer than what she was supposed to be in there, because she qualified for bond. But I guess they kept her wherever she was arrested at. They kept her there instead of transferring her where she needed to go. But anywho, this, I just wanted to give y'all a little backstory on it. And again, y'all can go to Dennis Byron's channel, also Wisdom Daughters. They have more information on that, so y'all can check that out. And I believe Legacy Moon also has those details, so y'all can go to those channels and get more information on it. But I wanted to bring this to you guys now, and let's see what the judge has to say. It's going to be starting in just a couple of seconds. Didn't want to rewind it too far and then y'all miss out. Okay, volume is up. And again, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe to the video and to the channel so that we remain in the YouTube algorithm as well. I did press play, didn't I? Okay, yep. There we go.
All right, y'all were, I guess it was Mr. Weinstein that brought it up, but gonna look into whether there was something that you needed to bring to the court's attention about a juror issue. Anybody have any follow up on that? Can you speak into the mic? You have to just kind of pick it up, unfortunately. It's not an ideal setup, but there you go.
Hello. Good morning, Judge. My understanding from Mr. Weinstein was that there was some question about a juror potentially having seen some information on Instagram where they were being given nicknames or seating charts were being discussed. And so I'm trying to find out some more information from my co-counsels about that now. About whether it was Miss Sylvie, is that correct?
Yeah, so I don't know that a juror saw it, but one of the deputies brought that to my attention yesterday afternoon. And yes, it is the woman who's named Sylvia who had a Rule 22. And she, I guess in her, whatever you call those things, where they, I don't know what you call them, where they sit and they talk endlessly online. I guess, I don't know. Yes, was giving all of the jurors nicknames, and, you know, it was derogatory. She does not appear in the clip that I watched that the deputy brought to my attention. She doesn't appear to have really provided any kind of personal identifying information, but it was like, oh, you know, in the first row, we've got, and then smart alecky names for all of the jurors. And in row 2, we'll call them blah, blah, blah. My understanding is that the deputy has escorted her out when he found that out. And I'm thinking that when we've got Rule 22 hearing scheduled for Friday lunch anyway, that maybe we speak to her about that at that point in time. But I mean, that's what I know about it.
I understand, Your Honor. My only question was, he had gotten some information that perhaps had told her that the jurors had been complaining about it. So we just wanted to make sure that the jurors hadn't seen it, hadn't had exposure to that many.
I mean, I can voir dire them if you would like me to. What we knew before was that, you know, the juror who we talked to a couple of times about a potential job change had people that she was close to call her and, you know, say, hey, you know, are you okay? Is everything okay? I heard something that sounded like it was you. So we know that, you know, that occurred. I don't know about anything else. I mean, if y'all have got information, if you please share it.
Judge, if you would, this might be more instructive, if you can simply inquire of the deputies as to where they got the information from,
sure.
that might answer the question for us.
All right. I can do that. Is there anything else for the morning? Okay.
All right, so it looks like that was about it. So they're going to have a hearing about it on Friday. So the judge not necessarily saying that she's kicked out. The sheriff took it upon himself to kick her out. And Dennis kind of mentioned that on his channel. He said something like that has to come from the judge themselves and not from the sheriff or the bailiff or the deputy or whatever they call, but they call him sheriff in here. So looks like they're going to get to the bottom of it to see where he got the information, even though she shouldn't even be talking about the jurors on her YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, or whatever it was that she did it on. But yeah, she's been known to give out information about the trials that's going on. Like I said, with the Ernesto case, she looked up witnesses. She was giving Ernesto's girlfriend witness information, giving them like their address, where they live, where they been, like if they, like one person left the state to go somewhere else or whatever, she gave them that girl's information. She did a lot. She does a lot. And then with the R. Kelly, I don't have all the details with the R. Kelly thing because that was years ago, but there's different videos and stuff out there that speak on that and went into more details. So yeah, check that out. And then another thing that I wanted to get into, to let y'all know that I don't know if you guys know or not, but Rich Homie Quan was mentioned in this trial when Lil Woody was on the stand doing his testimony, and they were trying to say that Young Thug and his crew, the people that's on trial, shot up Rich Homie Quan's dad barbershop, but Lil Woody said that him and Threat shot up the barbershop because he wanted to show them that he wasn't no punk or something like that. Don't quote me on his exact words, but he said to show them that they're not to be played with or whatnot. Well, it has been revealed today that Rich Homie Quan has actually passed away. He passed away this morning. On TMZ, they were saying that they don't have a cause of death as of yet, but like people in the area, they've been speaking out. They were saying that he died of an overdose. So I'm not sure if that's alleged. I don't know if that's the case because I haven't seen it on any news sources. Just people that live in that area, that's like close to his family or close to his area. They said it was from an overdose. So we shall get that information out. I just wanted to bring you guys this clip and let y'all know that the judge them did discuss it. So Dennis shouldn't have any problems or anything because he been having his Rule 22 and this wasn't anything on him. I think maybe the sheriff was just trying to give him a warning, but it looks like it's not just them. They are having a Rule 22 hearing on Friday. So that's with any media. So any news stations or anything, everybody that wants to continue to cover it, they're going to need to be there for the hearing. So you guys, thank you again for tuning in. Be sure to go to Dennis' channel, check out his videos in regards to this. Check out Wisdom Daughter as well as Legacy Moon. They do have more information and more detail with what's been going on. The different things that's been going on with Sylvia. But Dennis have been covering the Young Thug trial, but sometimes he's not there because he's a real journalist, unlike Sylvia. So he covers multiple things. So he covered like federal, he covered state. He just came back from the case where Trump and Marvin Gaye family, where they was suing him or making it where he's not able to use his songs during his rallies. So the judge, they granted it where he can't use them going forward, but the ones that he's already used that already been recorded and put out there from the rallies, that he can keep those up. So Dennis did cover that as well. He was there, so that's why he wasn't here for a little bit of this trial. So he's here, there, everywhere. Dennis covered trials everywhere throughout the United States. All right, his other channel is also Hip Hop Inquirer, but if you want details on this here, what was going on with Infamous Sylvia, I don't think he put it on the Hip Hop Inquirer channel. It was on the channel that says Dennis Byron. All right, you guys, enough of me talking. Just wanted to bring this to you really quick. Again, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification for all so that you never miss an upload. Make sure you also like, comment, share, and subscribe so we can remain in the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys for your support. I wish you all a great rest of your day. And as we always say, love, peace, and hair grease. Smooches. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Mwah.